The bagels that I took out already are ready to be they're ready to put topping on. You can either leave them plain, or you can use coarse salt. Depends what your family like. The best thing is to put the topping right away when the bagels are still wet from the water, because very quickly they dry and then the topping is not going to hold. I use poppy seed, salt, sesame seed. You can use the dried onions if you like it, dried tomatoes, dried garlic, anything your family like you can put on. You can get creative with the bagels. If you like spicy bagels, you can mix few spices and top it with that. It can be sweet too. If you like sweet, you can mix sugar and cinnamon and put it on top. Another way to make it is put raisins inside while mixing it with the dough, and there is no end for varieties if you like to cook and you have good imagination. Before you put the bagels in, make sure that your oven is preheated on 400. You don't want to put it while warming up because it might burn. We're going to put it in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes, depending on the size of the bagel and on your oven. So you should check it after 15 minutes to see if it's a little bit light brown. That means that it's ready.